guys, and welcome to another video. For the last couple of weeks, Viz and myself have been at home in Adelaide, and we've already found ourselves ready to get back on the road. So we've decided to head on a short adventure to the Yorke Peninsula. We've just arrived here at a campsite called Tapara Rocks. It's about 2.5 hours from Adelaide. We're just going to spend the next 2 nights here camping, just chilling out, soaking it all up, so we thought we'd make a video as well. But yeah, we've just arrived and we're going to get set up. Let's go. Well, we're all set up, ready to rock and roll. Nice little spot. It is a little bit windy, but we've set the car up this way so we're protected from the wind that's blowing straight off the ocean. Yeah, we're just about to build a little fire pit and, I don't know, find some kindling and get that prepped up, because we've decided that on this trip we're going to be cooking all of our meals both days purely on the fire. That includes brekkie, lunch and dinner. We've got some nice recipes sorted with all the ingredients, so get ready for that. It's going to be good, it's going to be fun. Hopefully we don't end up starving and stuffing all our food up, but we'll see how we go. But yeah, let's get the pit ready. It is time to get the fire going. Alright, we're all sorted. We've got the fire on nice and early today because, as we mentioned, this trip we're cooking purely on the fire. That includes brekkie, lunch, dinner, coffees. We may even make another sneaky special drink on there tomorrow, which you have to wait and see. Which means this guy here is going to be our best friend for the next couple of days. The good old cast iron.
We even made him a new home.
Viz has built a little pit for the
how cute's that?
a little pit next to the fire for the camp oven. Yeah, so we're just about to start prepping. First up, we're going to make a damper in the oven, which is going to go with
our curry tonight.
We're making curry tonight. What kind of curry?
Yellow curry.
Yellow curry. We're going to make a yellow curry filled with all the goodness, all the veg, chickpeas, whatever. But yeah, let's make the damper. Need that. Need that. Alright, the damper is on. We kind of are hoping for the best with that. We haven't made a damper in a long time, so if it turns out, it turns out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But yeah, we're just prepping for the curry now. Looking forward to that. Sun's just set, it's getting cold. Campfire curry, let's go. Well, the damper we think is ready, and by the looks of it, it looks pretty damn good. Look at that. Give it a flip. Show us the back, the bottom. Wowee. Happy?
Happy.
Let's cut it up and see how we go. All right, first taste. Cheers. It's so good.
It's actually yum.
Nailed it. Not firm.
Try the custard.
Not doughy. Happy with that. Alright, let's get the curry going.
Yum. In they go.
Oh yeah. Alright, we've just poured a glass of wine. It's getting pretty cold.
It's freezing.
Brazen fire's cranking, curry's cranking. We're about to take it off. It smells delicious. We'll show you that when we get it off. Then we're going to just sit down, chill, and enjoy that. So. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is a new day. Slept pretty good. It did get quite cold overnight, hey?
It was so cold.
It was cold. But yeah, we've woken up to another nice day here. It is a little bit windy, but the sun's out. Yeah, so we're just gonna get a little fire going so that we can have some coffee first and foremost, and then cook up some brekkie, because of course we are cooking predominantly on the fire this whole trip. So let's go get the coffee on and have some brekkie. Coffee made on the fire. How good? Cheers.
Delicious.
Pretty good. I was ready for a coffee about an hour ago, but since we're making everything on the fire, everything takes double the amount of time, if not longer, but makes it worthwhile when you have the first sip. But yeah, brekkie time. So we're going to do just a little pan cook up on the fire, some mushrooms, tomatoes. We'll toast the damper that we made last night in the pan, have some avo, put it all together. Happy days. Well, there you go. There's brekkie, campfire style.
So
look at this.
Good. Yum. Finishing touch.
Finishing touch, bit of balsamic glaze because we're a bit bougie. Campfire damper, avocado, mushrooms, tomato, balsamic glaze. You beauty. That was so good. Probably
Delicious.
the best camp brekkie we've done, I reckon.
For sure.
Everything was nice and smoky and delicious, and that damper, yum. It's a bit annoying. Every time we want to film and talk to the camera, we've got to come hide behind the car because it's so windy.
So windy.
But yeah, we're just going to do a little tidy up, do the dishes, put everything away, and then chill. Just having a little stroll along the beach. It's quite nice, it's warming up a bit. Still quite windy, which is annoying, but what do you do? Well, it's now about 2:30 in the afternoon. Really not been up to much since brekkie, really. Went for a little walk down the beach. That's about it. Had a little bit of lunch. Didn't cook anything. We just had some leftover curry because we made so much last night. We didn't cheat because we didn't cook anything. We actually ate it cold as well. So there you go. It was still pretty good. But yeah, leaving a bit of space in the stomach for tonight's dinner because it's going to be a big one and a good one. But yeah, let's go see what Viz is up to. Where is she?
Hey. Hi.
What are you doing?
I've been crocheting, my newest hobby, thanks to Dan's mum.
Oh wow, what are you making?
I'm making a little beanie for a baby.
Oh wow.
How cute is that?
There you go. Well, so my mum is an absolute crochet fiend, and I don't know, she taught Viz not even a week ago at home, and now she's absolutely hooked, literally. There you go. Mum actually makes a bunch of stuff. She makes baby blankets, scarves, ponchos, the whole lot. Go check out her stuff if you want. I'll leave her link below. She's actually only just launched her online store. Yeah, probably by the time this video is out, the store will be live. It's bohobabescrochet.com. I'll leave the link below. Check it out. She also makes these market bags.
Little sneak peek.
Yeah, so good. Viz is up there doing her crochet thing. I'm gonna get the fire going because we need plenty of coals to get cooking again tonight. We've got quite a few things going on tonight, which we'll show you in a little bit, but yeah, let's get the fire going.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
Right, well, it's about to hit 5 o'clock. It's getting chilly. The fire's cranking, plenty of heat. We've got a lot of cooking to do on that tonight, along with a little treat which we'll let you know about in a second. But yeah, for dinner we're doing a bit of a classic campfire roast spuds, but we're going to top them with some sauce. What are we topping with? Some
bolognese sauce.
Yeah, bolognese sauce, some slaw, sour cream, all the usual baked potato stuff, and we're also going to do some corn on the cob straight in the fire as well. But yeah, before we make dinner, we've got a little treat that we're making. Viz's little concoction that she's researched. What do we have?
I've researched, it's our first time making it, some mulled wine.
Mulled wine.
Perfect for this weather.
Perfect. Yeah, if you don't know what mulled wine is, it's basically what? Just red wine that you simmer.
Simmer with some secret herbs and spices.
Secret herbs and spices in there. So we're going to do that on the billy, straight on the coals. We don't know how it's going to go. We'll see. But yeah, we'll show you. Let's go. Alright, well, first up on the menu is the mulled wine. But someone forgot a key ingredient. So we're going to improvise a little bit. But that's all good. Yeah, here we go. Mulled wine. Let's see.
Here's the wine. Got elephant in the room.
Merlot. Alright, so that is the mulled wine in the billy, ready to go on the fire. I'm just going to pull some coals aside and we'll whack that on How long are we cooking it for? Half an hour. We'll see how we go. Well, the trick is to keep the fire going at the same time. We nailed that. All right, let's get this mulled wine on. What do you reckon?
We are dreamers of the shore.
All right, the mulled wine is on.
Our beanies are on too.
Beanies are on too, it's getting fresh. We've just wrapped the spuds and also the corn. So we're gonna, whack them in the coals now, and I don't know, they'll probably take half hour, something like that. They're big boys, so let's do it. Spuds are in, corn is in, fire's still going. The mulled wine is just about ready to be poured.
Yep.
Just pulled some more coals aside for the pan because we're going to fry up the mince and sauce and get that going. So we're about to do that, and then we'll probably give the mulled wine a crack.
Sounds good.
If we pull all of these things off, it'll be a miracle. Well, it looks bloody good. Done a good job. Cheers.
Let's
Give it
try
a crack.
Oh, it's strong. It's nice though. It's
It's actually quite yum. So smoky.
We'll keep drinking.
I reckon it needs to cool down a little bit. It's still like quite hot. But yeah, it's good. It's warm.
There we go.
It's nice. Right, we've just pulled the corn out and it looks perfect.
How good is that?
Spot on. So we're gonna have that as a little entree while the potatoes and mince keeps on cooking. Also, update on the mulled wine. It's definitely growing on us. It's getting better.
Yeah. I like it.
It is good. I rate it too. All right, spuds are ready. Hopefully. Hopefully they're not absolutely burnt to pieces either. Went pretty good, I reckon. Not bad. Maybe a little bit toasty on the skin, but it's hard not to do that.
Just giving this one a little haircut.
Use that a trim. Let's do it. I'm hungry. Oh boy, this is a hectic dinner. Potato, mince, meat, coleslaw, vegan mince meat, of course. Coleslaw topped with sour cream. How good.
There you go.
Thank you. Alright, dinner was so good.
Delicious.
I think we nailed everything. The mulled wine came out pretty good. The corn, awesome. Potatoes, so good. 3 from 3. And now for the fun part.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Love it.
Realities. But yeah, we will see you in the morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Nice and fresh again this morning, but the sun's out. It's quite nice. Just made a coffee on the fire, of course, and heading for a little walk down the beach, and then we'll head back to camp and make some brekkie. Not much else today. We'll probably just head back, make brekkie. We're going to do Campfire jaffles, a classic. Looking forward to that, and then we'll probably just slowly pack up and get going again. So let's go. Righto, it is brekkie time, which means it's jaffle time. There's the big tin of baked beans.
Wow.
Baked beans and cheese, jaffle. Here's the little, the big jaffle just preheating in the fire.
Scary.
The double banger. Let's do it, I'm pumped. It's all happening here. Haynes. Here we go.
Oh my god.
Can you even see that? Oh,
They're perfect.
baby. They were a little bit sticky, but
So sticky.
they look bloody good. Happy with that. Well, round 2, because why not? And the second one came out absolutely perfect. Check these out. Woo. Cheers. Well, that is pretty much everything done and dusted. We're about to put the fire out. It's been a good fire for us. Cooked a lot on it the last couple of days.
Perfect amount of wood as well.
Yeah, we actually nailed the amount of wood. Probably one piece too many. Not too many, but there you go. Better have too much than not enough. Yeah, we're going to tip the dirty dishes water on it and put it out.
Whoa!
All right, well that wraps up this adventure. 2 nights camping here on the Yorke Peninsula. Tipper Rocks, this campsite's called. Really good spot, right on the beach. It does get a little bit windy, but it's coastal, so you kind of expect that a little bit. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. We enjoyed this one.
We had so much fun cooking on the campfire.
It was nice cooking purely on the campfire, kicking it back to the old school days a little bit. But yeah, if you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a nice comment below, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next one. Not sure where that's going to be yet, but hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. And yeah, until the next adventure, cheers and get out there.